PUBG Mobile how to do 1v1 in Cheer Park. So I entered Cheer Park now and I looked for a player. I mean, most of the time the Cheer Park is pretty crowded, there's a lot of players, and I'll look for one player that you would like to do 1v1 with him. And here, let's say I want to do a 1v1 with this guy, the guy right in front of me, and tab on his character, like tab on him, literally tab on him. Tab on him. As you can see, if you tab on him, this control will appear. As you can see, and now once you tapped on him, now we have here. Once you tapped on him, now we have here quick draw. Tap on quick draw, and once you tapped on quick draw, like here, right here, we have circuit, contest, and quick draw. Tap on quick draw, and then choose here the type of quick draw: random assault rifle, normal quick draw, random sniper rifle, random shotgun. Let's see on this guy. So tap on quick draw, and now let's see random assault rifle. Okay, now he needs now to accept the request. Okay, let's try on this guy, quick draw and random assault weapon. Okay. Yeah, you need to wait. Yeah, that's the thing. If you want to do 1v1 with someone, that person, he has to accept your quick draw, your request. So I just want to demonstrate to you guys when that person accepts. It's a quick draw and random assault rifle. No, he rejected. As you can see there, we have the notification that he rejected. Quick draw and random assault rifle. Okay, this guy accepted. Now see, you have the highlight around his character, right? There's a highlight around his character, so he's here. Now he own, quick draw lost. Can do now another one. He own again. So that's how you do 1v1 with players in Cheer Park, right? Okay, now I own. So that's gonna do it, guys. That's how you do 1v1 with someone. I hope this video helped you. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching this video, and see you